Hey, dude. How's it going, dude? It's your boy, Craft Guy Peter, again. Hold on, let me just finish this up real quick. Sorry, dude, they used to call me Oral Hygiene Peter in high school because I was so into it. Then I became more of a craft guy with my big skizzies. People are intimidated by my big skizzies. I'm not sure why. They're just for crafting, big crafts, big craft energy. Dude, speaking of crafts, today we were freaking trying out 85 toothpaste-based life hacks that have infiltrated my life to the point where I can't sleep until I try them, dude. I gotta see if these are testable. Bustable, pausable, rewindable, edit that outable. Yeah, never mind. Let's waste no time dilly-dallying and just jump right into it. All right, dude, freaking finally. I'm excited to try this out, dude. I've watched so many videos of people doing this and I still can't tell if it's real or not. I've seen so many TikToks. What are you? Oh. Okay, it's Yoda. It usually is. And then he's on the toothpaste that I've never seen before. The toothpaste industry really needs to get on making these things. I'm just a hater, what can I say? Okay, what are you doing with the toothpaste? Slime time live, baby. Here it is. It's a Yoda baby. Why does everyone have this? I certainly hope he's inside. I mean, they always are. Oh my God. You should not put that on your toothpaste if you plan to use it. Yeah, there's no way that you're not getting lead poisoning. Hey man, it's your swamp. I'm just warning you. Where the people they cut into the toothpaste here, and then there's like some weird little toy here, and then you put the toy here, and then you never have to remember to put your toothpaste cap on. Isn't that nice? I guess. I mean, it does seem kind of interesting, I guess. You do waste a lot of time over the years probably re-screwing this bad boy back on, so we're gonna friggin' check it out today. Dude, have you guys ever had AIM toothpaste? Shout out AOL Instant Messenger brand toothpaste. Not sure. These multiple benefits might not be for me. But dude, like I said, we're just gonna friggin' take these scissors. We're gonna snip right across here just when we're ready, whenever we're ready, good and ready. Hold on. Friggin' what am I doing here? I almost freaking used the wrong pair of scissors. This is a big craft for big boys. Please don't speak to me or my son ever again. We got big crafts, big scissors. I don't even know if I could do this with one hand. Hold on. Speaking of aiming, can you guys aim your giant pairs of scissors at that like button and smash it, please? Give it a quick. Thanks, I appreciate you. Okay, hold on. Coming in hot with the big scissors. Hold on, let me just get the right angle here. And then you're like, oh, come on, I gotta get more speed. Oh, no. Wait, I want to turn to this. Ah, yes. I like your cut, G. Let me just take a little bit more off the top. Cut, you mother. I love your cut, G. Oh, what color is that? Oh, there it is. Oh my God, no. What have I done? Dude, that's such a weird color. I didn't expect that. All right, hold on. So let's just move these to the side carefully. Not too much to the side. This is goopy. Squadoosh. Oh, no. Oh, no, dude. Oh, my God. So that's how much toothpaste is really in one tube, dude. It's so weird to look at it like this. This feels so wrong, but so right. I don't even want to look at what this thing is here. I guess I'll use the baby scissors for this. It's like dissecting an owl pellet or something, dude. This is gross. I've never been really good at chopsticks, and these are even harder, especially with all the slippery. What is this? This is him. Is this my baby Yoda? Is this him? Oh wow, it's just like I thought it would be. I can't believe it. Hold on. So you're telling me, so you're telling me, so you're telling me, so you're telling me, so you're telling me. Dude, it's a dinosaur, dude. So you're telling me, dude, if you freaking take this and you're just, this is in every single toothpaste? Even the AOL Instant Messenger kind? That is nuts. Doesn't even really fit on here, but it is just some 3D printed garbage, I guess. But it is kind of fresh. I mean, he's a dinosaur, dude. Wait, hold on. Where is he? Oh my God. Give him a squid. Oh! Oh, he going. Oh God. Wait a second. No. Kind of messy. Oh no. Oh no. He creaming. He got the creaming face on. Quick, give me your teeth. How you open this? Come on. Jesus, that was so unintentional. All right, so this freaking next one, we're gonna make some little breath mints out of toothpaste. I mean, I could see this being a thing. I mean, breath mints kind of taste like toothpaste already, but they freaking put them in this little poppet thing, which is right here. Let's do that. Squeeze by here. All right. I don't know how long toothpaste takes to freeze, but I guess I'll just fill a couple of these. Actually, I mean, while we're here. Yeah, that's nice. I've actually never played with one of these before, so I wanted to see what all the hype was about. I mean, it's pretty much like bubble wrap, but silicone. It's like professional grade bubble wrap. I like it. Now I'm gonna fill it with toothpaste the way God intended. Little globber right there, dude. Try to make them as beautiful as I can, but it's mostly because the toothpaste looks like hair gel. Or NyQuil. Put you right to sleep there, bud. I'm not gonna eat too many of these, I don't think, so I'll just make a couple. Is this toothpaste a different color, do you think? I wouldn't know because Baby Yoda sealed it for protection. Thank you, Baby Yoda. Thank you. Try or try not, but you can't keep the poison from me? Oh yeah, red gummy, blue gummy. Perfect. Will you join the Sith or the Republicans? Choose wisely or whatever. I've never seen the movie, dude. All right, I'm gonna go pop these bad boys in the freaking freezer. Dude, I feel like binging with Babish right now. I'm cooking it up. I'm cooking. Yeah. Bone apple teeth.
Tomorrow.
All right, toothpaste fans, it's been, oh, I just shoved my finger directly into one. It's been about
Tomorrow for sure.
6 to 8 weeks and, business days, obviously, and freaking they are ready to go, dude. I don't know if these are like, yeah, they're not like hard, but they're kind of like gummies. Which one of these is the hardest one, do you think? I bet it tastes like CRAFTS. Yeah, I wouldn't eat this, honestly, because it's toothpaste and not food. I would give this one a no-go, if not a stay home and don't do it. I'm still working on my rating scale. How am I doing? How's my driving? May I take your hat, sir? I'm the waiter. Curious that I find myself once again fidgetless. Good fidget lord giveth and the good fidget lord taketh and putteth in the freezer, I guess. It was me who made both decisions. Anyway, we're gonna freaking make our own out of toothpaste, dude. What are the odds you think I could glob some of this into a balloon? Fat chance? Thin chance? Yeah, that probably won't work. Let's just use it from the tube. That's fine. We got a lot of toothpaste to go around, but how much do you think you need to put into a balloon to make a sufficient squishim's toy? The stakes are high. I hate this, actually. I see a little bit of toothpaste, so I don't like it anymore. No, no! I need it to go tighter, faster, harder, better to hang it. Oh no, this is a nightmare. Look at the top of his head! Star Wars, all your Star Wars scoop into there. I guess I could just ask Yoda for his guidance. He's a baby, so I wouldn't listen to his advice anyhow. Can you guys start making some sense? I'm freaking out here, dude. This smells like candy, and the balloon is so erect. I guess you would want to tie this up, right? How would one go about doing that? Because this is all full of goop, dude. I don't want to get it all over my hand or it's gonna be game over. Maybe that'll actually help. I can use it as lubricant. Turns out kids actually don't use toothpaste. They brush their teeth with Jolly Ranchers. Dude, this smells so much like watermelon. There can't be fluoride in here. Ah! There's more in the water supply, am I right, guys, or whatever? I heard a flunk to a piece of technology, and I don't like that. I'm just trying to tie the knot. I just need to tie the knot. Just gotta tie the knot. That's it. That's it. Here it goes. Oh no, worst squishy ever. God damn it. Imagine, you don't even have a netting to put around it, you amateur. Sorry, man, it's my first rodeo of this kind. Oh, of this Star Wars variety. Just freaking bring the bathroom over here. Oh man, that was way easier to do by the sink. Why didn't you guys say so? And that is a pretty good texture. It feels like one of those tubes that you put like, or that come with like glitter in them and stuff, and then you just kind of squish them until they pop on your dog or something. Can you even see that? Oh! Dude, there's no way that this is good for your teeth. Am I actually a child? It's possible. How low can you go with it? This isn't toy store grade though, I should remember. You know, Hasbro can make one of these like the best of them. This is the lonniedos brand, off-brand, great value, we got this at home type beat. It does the job. I should have put Pope in it though. All right, so for this next one, we're gonna need to call my phone and freak. Whoops. Oh no, dude, my freaking phone, it got mildly damaged because of my misuse and haphazard behavior. God, I wish I could say this is my first rodeo for this time, but this crack speaks for itself. Good thing we have toothpaste. Yeah, I've heard that you can fix your little phone screen with toothpaste, but I've never really had the toothpaste to try it. Store wants to know. It's just a little crack anyway, so let's just friggin' glob some of this bad boy on here. I don't think it'll hurt anything. If anything, it's supposed to help, you know. Like, get rid of this notification. Wait. Oh, it doesn't work with toothpaste on, dude. That's so cringe. This finger. Oh, yeah, there we go. Clear. Clear. Oh, so close, dude. What the? Swipe. Swipe. Just swipe. Sorry, I got distracted, but all right, rub it in on the crack over here. Swipe. Swipe. Oh, so close. Wait, it's gone. Wait, we got it. Wait. Halfway? All the way. Are you freaking kidding? Are you serious? Okay, it's fine. I don't care anymore. Just rub it on the crack. That's what we're here for. This is a dramatized reaction. Don't even worry about it. Put it into the cracked part and where the notification was, because I don't want that App Store notification to come back. That is relentless. I hate the iPhone, dude, how it sometimes when you swipe away a reminder too fast, it just comes back sometimes. I mean, that's the best I can interpret the rules. I should just put a little more on here for good measure. You can't really see the color anymore. Don't want you to be able to see the crack in the glass here. This is the iPhone X, by the way, or XR, or XER, or I actually don't know what iPhone this is. Never mind. But it's fine. It's gonna work great after this. See, look, I'm gonna push the button just so you guys. There's the freaking notification again. Are you kidding, dude? How is it still? How am I so bad at this? I thought I was a professional. Dang it, dude. Are you freaking? This is a disaster. Swipe. Just, okay. All right, so it's been about 3 weeks. I didn't want to rush it because friggin' I've heard that this can actually take a few days to set in, so I just left it here for a month or two. We're gonna wipe off the toothpaste now. It's a thing of the past, dude. It's a whole thing. You gotta sound effects. Wipe this off. Perfect, perfect. And then the end here. This was the cracked part at the top. Oh, who's calling? Oh, wait. All fun and games until I accidentally call the police on myself. This is very sticky, and it smells better than it ever has. Better than when I first got it in the box, to be honest. This is a nice plus, but not what we care about. We care about this, and the crack. You can't even see it, but not in the good way. Hold on. You can see it is still cracked. The toothpaste did nothing. So if your teeth are cracked, you'd probably have similar... You should probably have similar expectations. Also, this notification. See, they made it look so weird. All right, so for this next one, we're freaking. You can make slime by mixing toothpaste and Vaseline. I thought all slime was made with like glue and baking soda and science and magic, but apparently you could just use toothpaste and Vaseline. I don't have any Vaseline, but I'm gonna substitute it with this spot popper pimple pus. Which I'm pretty sure is something similar. This is from that freaking pimple popper toy that I opened on a live stream a long time ago. It's like it gives you pimples to squeeze and it just oozed out at me. That's so nasty. Ew,
What's
dude.
oozing out of it?
I don't know. I assume this is like just a refill. Whatever's in here, probably.
Disgusting.
But it's some sort of viscous liquid, like Vaseline, and maybe it'll do the job. I just want this out of my life, to be honest. Oh no, is it hardened? That is a very fine tipper you got there. Should I just cut it open? I have to. Perfect. Perfect. There it. Yeah, that's Vaseline, dude. What else do you know that looks like that? Come on. Why is it? How did they get this as small as an atom? Okay, well, I'm gonna take this brick of Vaseline and just massage it into our pool of AIM brand toothpaste. I don't want to get the ratio messed up, so I'm just gonna do this little corner over here. I don't know how much spot cream to slime cream toothpaste we need, but massage it together till homogeneous. Perhaps this is really gross and dumb. No, it's fine. Everything's fine. But I think it is sort of mixing together into something. It's not really slime, though. It's more like curdled cheese. It's about time. Okay, you know what the Rock is cooking here, aside from the color, this provides me no joy whatsoever. This is the kind of stuff they be pulling out of Poppy Playtime. My brain has officially been poisoned, as well as my body, starting with this hand. We'll have to amputate. Guess it's getting slimy. It's not really slimy enough to be... I don't know. I got toothpaste all over my everything. What a disaster. But we must persevere. Only a few people know how to build from sapples pin? Does that mean staples? I don't know. Let's hear the guy out. I've seen this also in many videos on the internet, on my phone, on my computer machine, where people are putting the office supplies together, the staples, into some sort of satisfying cube building Minecraft. This is clearly some next level industry plant marketing to sell more staples, right? We were just overstocked on staples this week, so we conducted this little TikTok song and dance. I'm on to you, but it's fine. I'm a cog in the machine. It's fine. I'm just calling the kettle a kettle. Just calling the machine a machine. He's building the thing. I don't know. I might need to reference this video, but I think I get the general idea. Do I have enough staples would be my next question. Oh yeah, I got a lot more than I meant to actually. I did buy like $14 worth of staples. Listen, man, I'm dedicated to what I came here to do, and I came here to put staples together. What you're gonna want to do, take the east wing with the... All right, I don't need to see this guy right now. Ow! These are sharp. No one told me. Like that. Oh, I sort of pick up what you're putting down here. I hate it, but I'm picking it up. I hate it. I don't respect it, but you drive a hard bargain, and I'm gonna pick some up. I can see why only a few people could do this. This is for geniuses. Dude, look at his, and then look at mine, dude. Slow down there, young man. I can't even keep up. Oh, he's done. Perfected. Wait, is this how you do it? It's so rickety. Kind of engineer. Yeah, that's some structural integrity right there, baby. I feel so smart right now. All right, I think I might have to go through to a few more years of college before I can build the Empire State Building out of staples, but this is kind of, I don't know if you can tell, but this is progress. This is sturdy. I'm feeling okay about this. I think that I really did myself in by not buying the right size staple. About yay big. We're doing it. We're vibing. We're good. As you would. Oh, no. Oh, the Twin Towers. Not again. All this is reminding me of, dude, that one day that the proportions are off, but it's fine. We're gonna improvise. Emotional support. No! I'd actually like physical support on second thought. Not after that faithful day. You see how we're improvising a little bit? I don't know if you can tell here, but we're sort of improvising a little bit. You look closely, you can see my improvisation. Shit. Knocked over tower number 2. This guy's video was a little easier to palette, but he is getting to the complicated part. I'm sure I'll mess it up fine. Whoops, didn't mean to like that. It's not an accurate representation of my feelings, but that's okay. I'll be a liar today, I guess. Want to make it clear to you that I did not like that. Dude, it's the cube thingy, like from the internet. You see, I got the whole, it looks a little better from the front. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it my money don't jiggle. It crumble into shambles before me. I'm not stressed. I love this toy. Why? Are you stressed? You wanna hit this? Thank you guys for freaking watching my freaking toothpaste life hack video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and it helps me out a lot. I always appreciate it. Sorry, I forgot my line. I'm not acting Guy Peter, dude. Thank you guys again for freaking watching, and freaking I'll see you in the next one. Peace.